his way towards the hole. Oh, Anthony getting the roll.
And this is also a guy who played very well in their last outing.
You know, Magu and I covered that game and we were surprised. His previous career high was 6 points.
Yes.
He hit 20 in that game.
12 points in the first quarter.
Yes. And not only that, Sean Anthony gives you height and heft playing the guard position.
And Tubid scoring another 3-point basket. He has 6.
Ito maganda sa Ginebra, no? They're getting points now from the outside from Tubid. They're also getting points from the inside from Menk.
Oh, miscommunication that time between Gary David and Eddie Laure as we take the first break in the action. Barangay Ginebra takes the lead by 2. All right, welcome back. We are coming to you from the Cuneta Astrodome. And as Gino reported earlier, Mark Kagiwa not playing here tonight, and these are the numbers that they will be missing.
12.5 points a game. Not only that, the fact that he's always present when you need a basket. That's the most important thing with Mark the Spark. He gives you a threat anytime he's on the floor. But that's not going to happen in this game. And I'm sure Powerade will capitalize now. You take a look at the remaining games of these two teams. Ang Barangay Ginebra, pakatapos ito, still has Talk and Text on December 10th and Rain or Shine.
Magaganda pa yung laban na yun,
on December 12th. And for Powerade, they've got, after this, Alaska, December 15th. But for Powerade, I think it's important that they know ano ang schedule ng Air 21. Kasi yun ang hinahabol nila.
Tama.
Yung record ng Air 21. And Air 21 sila has Barako, Rain or Shine, and Talk and Text.
So 3 more games there for Air 21. Dennis Espino was inserted during that timeout. He did not play in their last outing. And right now it's going to get a feel of the court. And of course the coaching staff hoping that he's really feeling a lot better. Oh, and a nice play for Barangay Ginebra.
And what a way to execute the pick and roll. Hindi nila ginamit yung roll ni Hatfield. And I thought the Powerade defense was caught napping that time. Ang ganda ng pasahan.
And almost a steal here. Ball will go. Yes, they complete that turnover. And here's itong pick and roll Pinito.
Ang ganda, oh. Hindi pinasahan ni JJ Hildebrand si Rudy Hatfield na nagbigay ng pick sa kanya. Instead, hinanap niya si Eric Menk, who went to Rudy Hatfield. Ang ganda naman.
And here's Hatfield blocked by Espino. Sidestepping move. And a blocking foul called against Ronald Tubid. And we'll get another update from Gino.
Don't tell Coach Bo Periso of the Powerade Tigers that their season is over. In fact, despite a loss at Talk and Text in their last outing, they believe it was one of their better games they played this conference. Coach Bo said, "We know it's a long shot. The last 2 games are tough, but as long as we have the chance, we will fight for it." He told the team to forget about the losing streak and just go out there and play. He said that the pride is intact and they are ready to do their best. Richard and Quinito?
Quinito, it doesn't matter how they have struggled all throughout the conference. It's important that as a coach, if he feels that his team is, getting better each game and somehow they make it to the playoffs, then it's a different story if come playoff time.
Exactly, if they just get over the hump. Pero ang problema, they also expect, or they're also hoping that Air 21 picks up some wins, or some losses rather, to enhance their chances.
Halterbrand from the corner. That's a 3 for JJ. They have to do a better job of containing the guards here of Barangay Ginebra. Will Antonio swings it over to Gary David. David from the short corner. And David has 5. Is Rico Villanueva. Looking for Miller. 10 seconds to shoot. Tough fadeaway for Willie.
Well, Willie's struggling here because ang dumedepensa sa kanya, mas malaki sa kanya, no? Willer is still scoreless.
And David shortened that attempt. Ball will go back to Barangay Ginebra as Wilson enters the game for Rudy Hatfield. 3-point lead here for Barangay Ginebra. Under 4 minutes remaining in our first period. Helterbrand takes a 3 once again from the same spot. Lenete. Antonio now to Anthony. Still cold from the outside. Ball screen provided by Wilson to Miller, and finally gets a field goal. That's a long 2 for Willie Miller.
Very unselfish playing on the part of Barangay Ginebra. You see, players are shielding for each other, giving screens. They want everyone involved in the offense, and Miller, that was his first two-point basket.
And Will Antonio, with a 3-point basket, brings down that Ginebra lead to 2. Here's Miller as Anthony falls to the ground. Tubid, that's been his favorite spot here. Good hustle there by Chico Lanete. Espino, top of the key jumper, offline.
Ginebra dominating the boards, not giving Powerade a chance.
Nice kick out pass to Helterbrand.
Too many outside shots being taken by Barangay
That's
Ginebra.
right.
I think the defense is very relaxed of Powerade in the perimeter, and that's why Ginebra is taking advantage by trying to score from the outside. But I think they're just being lulled into a false sense of security. I don't think they should settle for those outside shots. If the defense is loose outside, I think they should try to score from the inside as well. Try to create situations.
Let's see what Villanueva does here. So he hands it off to Miller. He looks at the clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Miller now. Up and under move. Oh! Just uses his experience against the rookie.
In a situation like that, you will probably want to close out on Willie Miller. Patapos na yung oras eh. You know that he's going to take the shot.
Yes. David now. That's a long attempt for Gary David. In the meantime, another break in the action. Barangay Ginebra still up 23-19. A minute and 14 remaining in the first. Alright, a 23-19 lead for Barangay Ginebra. And in the meantime, Hatfield has been doing wonders here once again for Barangay Ginebra. This is our Explode Energy Drink Animal sa Lakas play of the quarter, of that nice execution of that offense for Ginebra. Couple of substitutions for Powerade. You have Renren Ritualo and Paulo Mendoza now manning the backcourt for the Tigers.
Here's a 2-3 zone defense being played by Powerade.
Miller now with a nice fake once again. We're getting open looks off those fakes.
He's feeling it also. So brand new backcourt here for Coach Joseph Ichico, si Selena Cruz.
Oo,
He's
early
also
entry,
in the
no?
game.
Well, we did mention wala nga po si Kagiwa. So probably wants to get Celino some confidence here.
But Barangay Ginebra looking so sleek and comfortable with that 3-guard formation.
That's right. Here's Miller once again.
Oh yes, should have done. Miller now with 8 points.
Started slow in this game, pero ngayon sunod-sunod na nga yung puntos niya.
Well, especially since Sean Anthony is now sitting down.
And a ball is deflected. Celino Cruz looking down court. Cruz now. They can take the last shot, and Miller knows that. Celino now left open, and he knocks it down. And what a run here for Barangay Ginebra. Closing out the first quarter. Finishing it with an 11-point lead. Started out slow, somewhat sluggish, but regained their bearings right away and pulled away from the Powerade Tigers. Let's see if Barangay Ginebra can sustain it in the second quarter. We have a good-sized crowd in attendance here at the Cuneta Astrodome because we have two good games in store for you. And if you want to watch the games live, just log on to www.solartv.com.ph or www.btv.com.ph. Click on the Clicks for Ticks and vote for your best player of the week.
And Richard, I'm sure Coach Joseph Echico very, very happy
Yes.
with the performance of Ginebra, especially towards